Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to begin by thanking the European Brain Council for inviting me to address this very important conference today. Healthy brain and a healthy mind are central to good mental health. And this is why finding long-lasting solutions to protect and promote them is so important. As we all know, mental health issues can affect everyone from all walks of life in many different ways. In the EU, millions of citizens were already experiencing mental health challenges before the pandemic. The impact of COVID-19, together with the daily reality of the war in Ukraine and the high cost of living, have served to make a difficult situation even worse. We must make addressing the issues around mental health our top priority. The future health of our citizens and societies depends on that. To that end, in June, we presented a new comprehensive approach to mental health in the EU. It is a cornerstone of the strong European Health Union we are building and is based on one clear message: that mental health matters. Our citizens must know that it is okay not to be okay. They should be encouraged to seek help and supported when they need it. Our comprehensive approach puts forward 20 flagship actions covering a broad spectrum of issues. And these range from better mental health, promotion, prevention and intervention, access to treatment and care, quality of life, gathering of data and training of health professionals. And all this is backed by over 1.2 billion in EU funding. Our blueprint for action will help support the mental health of the most vulnerable in society, including children, the elderly, cancer survivors, young people, and people affected by conflict. Beyond the comprehensive approach itself, our EU initiative on non-communicable diseases, called Healthier Together, is helping our member states and stakeholders pool resources and share best practices to reduce the burden of these diseases. And mental health and neurological disorders form a priority strand of this initiative. On the research side, brain research remains a long-standing health priority, and that is why the EU is investing heavily in it through Horizon 2020, Horizon Europe programs, and through better prevention via the EU for Health program. Ladies and gentlemen, our actions will only be effective if we work together at the European and international levels to step up our collaboration and strive to make a real difference for everyone. It means forging strong partnerships with stakeholders such as the European Brain Council in international fora such as the United Nations. And the EU will always play its part in this endeavour. I look forward to pursuing our ties of collaboration and support. Together, we can put the physical and mental health of our citizens front and centre. Together, we can deliver for them. Thank you.